You make sure I get good lighting. You make sure I look nice.
Oh, you're looking good already.
You're looking good already. You're looking good already.
I'm Binya.
I'm Hannah.
We're from the Black Sheep MSU.
And today we're gonna find out what happened to all the bird scooters.
Where'd they go?
Why are they not on campus anymore?
Let's find out.
And then pan to like us interviewing people.
I'm Binya here, Black Sheep, and I'm here with...
I'm Heather.
Nice to meet you. So your name is I'm Heather?
Just Heather.
Okay, cool.
Have you ever ridden a bird scooter before?
I have not ridden a bird scooter. All the time.
Yeah.
I prefer limes. I do, but I haven't seen very many of them this semester.
Have you ever ridden a bird scooter?
I have, yeah.
Yeah, a lot. What do you think they all went?
Oh, you know, I don't know. I was, you know, maybe they flew away, right?
I don't know, maybe they flew away.
I don't know, it's like they just flew away.
Oh, wise guy, eh?
I think they're getting impounded, unfortunately.
So maybe they migrated south? What do you think for that?
I thought birds flew west.
Maybe they do. I don't know. It's just it's warm in the south.
They go south. They definitely go south.
Yeah, they definitely went to Alabama.
No, Florida. Florida.
Do you ever notice that they're gone?
They are.
Yeah, they're gone.
Would you happen to know why?
No, I'm asking, where do you think they went?
Do you think John English took them all back to his crib before he resigned?
Ah, that's a funny assumption.
1 second, please.
He might have.
Was it his master plan?
Probably.
That's probably true. He is kind of
I don't know.
very plausible.
It'd be kind of rude of him.
That's something he would do, though. That's definitely an England move. Yeah.
If he did, he should give him back.
How have you gotten to class?
You know, that Kata is one faithful busing system, and these Air Force Ones don't give up on me.
On January 2nd, rumor has it that a student threw all the birds from the Red Cedar. What do you think of that?
I think we would have seen him in the river, so
Well,
probably not.
where were you on January 2nd?
It's a good question. Don't remember.
Oh, interesting.
At home.
So you didn't throw him in the red cedar?
No, I did not.
Well, I guess he's innocent.
I was in Ohio, minding my own business.
Okay.
I've been in the Red Cedar plenty of times since the 2nd, and I can confirm there are no birds in there.
Didn't you get hypothermia?
Yes, and I also contracted several bacterial infections.
All right, so what do we learn here? Bird scooters are not in the Red Cedar River. So on January 2nd, 2019, where were you?
I don't know. Ohio?
January 2nd, I was not here. I was in Ben Harbor, Michigan, back at home.
I don't know about that one though.
All right, sounds good.
Wow, thank you so much for interviewing with us, and I hope you have a really good weekend.
Thank you. You too.
And keep calm and Sparty on.
I will.
That was
I'll do
really
that.
awkward. But thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you think that they left because of the government shutdown?
That's also a funny assumption.
What is the other question?